Hi everybody, Sharon McCrum here. A little later today we're going to be setting off our volcanoes through a Zoom. But I just wanted to show you this because they are so much fun to make. It's with an easy salt and flour mixture. You form your dough around a glass jar. The smaller your opening, the bigger your explosion. Maybe set up a little diorama like I did. I added some rocks to mine and some ground sage and pepper into the dough to give it some texture. Then afterwards, after it had baked for a couple hours at a very low temperature, 225, I added some paint to it just to give it a little character. I've already set this off one time before, and that's where you see the white on the volcano. I'm going to set it off again today during the Zoom along with some other kiddos and their families. And you can see that one thing that you could do with these is to add a sealing coat to them and keep it so you can do this project often. Of course, we're going to be using a baking soda and vinegar to cause a reaction. It should be lots of fun, and I'm looking forward to this later today. Now then, though, let's get a little sneak preview. I have here my baking soda. Ta-da! Let's pour a little bit in. Okay. And I've got a little jar of my vinegar here. Let's pour that in. Ready? There it goes! Woohoo! The color comes from not food coloring, but small packets of Kool-Aid, which are less messy to put in, and they smell wonderful. Have fun. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Sharon from the Waldport Public Library.